Hello, people. We're here with your host, Eric Estrada, with another episode of the Widow's Son Tattoo Reviews. And we're unboxing the limited edition E80 tattoo machine from my sponsors, WOS Tattoo. I am Team WOS Tattoo. I am a pro team member of them, and I have most of the tattoo machines in our lineup. I have the E50. I have our new E80 in silver, the Mini 40, the MT3, and I love this tattoo machine so much that I had no choice but to hit my sponsors up and tell them I need that limited edition machine. To which they told me, "We got you covered, Eric." So when you open, just like in the other unboxing, you get yourself a nice, beautiful black case with purple trim, nice handle, and the WOS logo. In the top part, we have a couple of pamphlets, the dampening system, and its tool. Okay, this is the tool. The pamphlet with information about the E80 and its adjustable stroke system, because that's what the tool is for, to adjust the stroke on the E80 all the way from 3 to 5. It also comes with these circle pamphlets with a little bit more information about the E80 and its batteries. Make sure you take a look at it. And the nipples for the dampening system. It has a very unique dampening system in it that, when you adjust it, allows you to hit the needle softer or harder depending on your style. We get two 1900 mAh 18650 flat top batteries. I know that was a mouthful. We get the charger for those batteries inside of this black box. As soon as we open it, we're going to get the instruction manual for the charger, a nice, beautiful silver case, and the plug-in charger with its USB-C cable. Okay. Does not come with a box to plug the USB-C cable in, but as you know, multiple households have many of these, so they should be readily accessible to you. And the star of the show, what we really came to see, which is the limited edition E80 in black. And right off the bat, I have a beautiful smile on my face because, like always, they hit this thing out of the park. It is a gorgeous machine. Let's go ahead and look at its grip, its additional grip. Okay, right there. Right here We have the all black, beautiful E80 from my sponsors, and one of the few machines in my arsenal that I have two of. So that should be a statement to you. Not just because they sponsor me, but that's how much I liked this machine. And I know it's a spoiler because I still haven't released the review on the E80. But my relationship with the company evolved into a sponsorship. And that should speak to you of the quality of their products. And right there is the other grip, which I have a total idea, and I'm putting that small grip, black grip on my silver machine because that's how I wanted it from the beginning, silver with the black grip. So that concludes our unboxing of the E80 from my sponsors, WOS Tattoo Machines. Make sure you go ahead and hit us up. I'm Team WOS, and make sure that if you have any questions, you DM me on my Instagram. Hit me up in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to your homie so I can tell you about all of the new and good gear from WOS or any other tattoo company.